So hello everybody, welcome back to my new video. So today I wanna teach you how to use PowerPoint. So let's get started. So PowerPoint is a app that you can use to present in front of other people. Presentation. You want to present in front of your class or in front of your when you're having a meeting. You can just use this app. So the first thing you notice is when you when you get onto it, you just click blank presentation. Then okay, fine. Come over here, right? When you start, you click blank presentation, but I already click it. So when you click it, it will happen like this. You go to home first, and then you notice all of these. If you want to paste something, you just you just paste like that. But if you want to paste some words, oh yeah, I paste a picture. I don't really know how you did it, but anyways, so layout, you can choose it to be like this, anything you want. But normally people use title screen. Reset, you can just reset it. Add section, you could add section name. You can name it introduce. Is that how you say it? Huh? I don't know. So this is the introduce part. You can change its color, or you just hurry. Okay, so now when you go to here, you click it to make it. Okay, so when you start writing, if you want to make vowels, you just write what from my first video. What is vowels? And if you want to highlight the important part, you just click and then drag it over here, highlight it like this. What is vowel? Now it'll be like this. Great. Now when you're done doing that, you want to make your writing better, you could just text shadow. You can make a shadow behind it, which looks really good. But you don't, if you don't want it, that's okay. You can make it go bold to make it look like this, and make it like, yeah, you can make it italic. Yeah, you can underline it, but I'm not gonna underline. And you can cross it whenever you want. You could make space. You can choose spacing. Really tight, it will be like this. Normal will be like this. Really tight, yes. But normal will be like this, which is better. Tight, and you can have more spacing. Oh, yeah, you can choose your own. But I'm just gonna choose normal. Now you could choose to change case. Lowercase, sentence case, uppercase, capitalize each word. Oh, toggle case. Yeah, but I'm not gonna use any of them. I'm using normal. I'm just gonna add shading to it. Then now once you've done that, you can choose it to be at the center, at the displays, or at here, or justify it. But I'm just gonna stick with around the center. And you could add some squares to it, which we'll get to it later by the animation. But I don't want to highlight it, so I'm just not gonna highlight it. Okay. Orange bubbles. Okay. add subtitle. I'm just gonna click by by fast. Okay, capitalize. Fast learner. Okay. After we're done, we could just click new slide to make a new, or you could choose like this, and then you can choose to whatever you want it to be. So after we're done, we can arrange it, but I don't really like arrange. Quick style, sure. You could add quick style. I'll just use this normal. Shape fill. You could fill your color in there. Shape outline. You can change your outline color. Shape effect. Like this. This. Yeah, you could change it. Many of them. Shadow. Yeah, you choose it. I don't. Glow. I like glow actually. Soft edges. Choose it edges. How hard be? Yeah. Three. Oh. Just make it normal. Okay. You could. Fine. You don't. I don't really use. Replace. You can. Okay. Okay. So if I write hi, right? You okay? You just replace. You just go to replace. Then what do you want to find? I want to find hi. Then replace with hello. Okay, then we just find it. Oh yeah, whatever. So we can change it to yeah, like that. So example, I want to teach so what vowels have four, eight, five letters. Here is those letters. E, I, O, U. Okay. So next I'm gonna teach you insert. You could insert some picture, or you could insert a chart. I wanna do 5x2, so I could just write a E I O and U. Oh. And U. Okay, done. And we could just put out some examples. A for apple. O. E for egg. I for ice. O for what should I get for O? Maybe I could just use it. Ostrich. Okay. Ostrich? Is that how you spell it? I'm not sure. I'm not gonna use it. I don't know how to spell. Okay, maybe. Oh, I need to find later. Okay, you'll be um Brella. Really? Okay, maybe I should change it. U for umami. I don't know if you learn it. Okay, fine. I'll just use umbrella. Umbrella. Ostrich. Ostrich. Okay, so that's alright. Oh, here's an example of some word that begins with the woes. Okay, ma'am, done. Now let's just make a new slide. Then we just quickly add when you have a whoa in front of a word. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I was already correct. You have to use an apple and not a apple. Not a apple because it's not in the rules of grammar. Bam. Okay. Okay, next time. And an egg and what? Nice. I'm just gonna go down. Whew, done. Okay. Okay, so we're done for today, and I hope I can see you next time, because next time I'm gonna teach you how to use insert, draw. You don't really need to know, because draw, you just use it to draw. Eraser, like that. It's easy. Not gonna use. I'm not gonna teach, and I'm gonna teach you design right now, and transition to make animations. I'll just give you a sneak peek of animation. Alright, here's a sneak peek of animation. Oh wait. Yes, like that. It's a sneak peek like this. You could use many design. Alright, so I just deleted the animation, and yes, next time I might teach you insert, transition, animation, and I'll do others later, but definitely not recording. Whatever. So design, I'm just gonna teach you right now. Design, you have a lot of design to choose, like this. Choose like this. Is so good. Yes, like that. But sometimes it's not as good. So you can actually just like change it to any style you want. I usually use this like this. It's actually pretty nice. But I don't like these white things, so wait a minute. Shape fill. Okay, done. Oh my gosh. Let me get the outline out. No outline. Thank you. Alright, so I guess we're done with today's lesson. And thanks so much for watching. If you can help me a little, just subscribe. Okay? Just please subscribe, like, share, and do other things to do good things for my channel. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day. Goodbye.